Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to wipe and reset an iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select General. After selecting General, you're going to scroll to the end of the page and you will see the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. You're going to tap on that. Then you are going to tap on Erase All Content and Settings at the bottom of the page. After selecting this, you can see that your apps and data will be removed from this iPhone, and also you'll be signed out of the Apple ID. And you can simply tap on Continue, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.